I'm Coach Medai. Okay, today is a Chinese lesson. In this Chinese class, we are going to learn the very basic pronunciation of Chinese. I'm sharing with you how to master the Chinese. Okay, so this is a Chinese for actor. And for acting, I think Chinese pronunciation is very important. Yeah. So in my Chinese class, we have learned how to pronounce the basic of Chinese. Yeah, so little bit detailed, yeah, but a very efficient class for you to master Chinese, okay? And of course, if you don't want to be an actor, okay, that's okay, yeah. But yeah, if you want to master Chinese, I want to help you about how to learn or how to master the basic pronunciation in Chinese, okay? So in my class, I will do a review from the first lesson until now. So please watch this table. Right side is a review, okay? And the left side, in the blue line, this is what we are going to learn today. These four, very simple, very simple. Yeah, only four pronunciation that we are going to learn today, okay? So right side is a review. Let's review my previous lesson. In my first class, we have learned about 4 sounds. Do you remember that? In Chinese, every character, every letters has 4 sounds. Ma, 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 ma. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. O, 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 o. If you forget this, please refer to my first class, number 1. Okay? So these 4 sounds is very important. Ma, 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 ma. And from my second lesson, we're going to learn about the basic Chinese sounds. There are many kinds of Chinese sounds. So we have divided these sounds into 2 groups. So please imagine, if you watch in Netflix, or watch movie or drama, there are many kinds of characters, right? Many kinds of actors. Main actor and supportive actors, right? So in Chinese, basic pronunciation is also the same, okay? We have divided 2 groups, and one group is the main characters, main letters, and the second group is the supportive characters, supportive sounds. Of course, the main characters are very important. This is the core of the Chinese pronunciation. So please master it. Please practice as much as you can. And there are 10 letters, 10 characters in the main Chinese characters, okay? There are 10. And in the supportive characters, there are 21 supportive characters. So Chinese pronunciation, Chinese words, Chinese vocabulary is the combination between main characters and main characters, or main characters and supportive characters. That's it, very simple. First of all, we are going to see the main character, main 10 characters. There are the core of the main characters, core 7. A, I, U, Ü, O, E, These are 7 core characters, letters, very important, okay? And yeah, there are also the combination between main characters. A, I, A, O, O, U, O. Yeah, because it is so important. So please be conscious about the place of your voice when you pronounce these words. This is your mouth. And upper frontis, under frontis, upper frontis, under frontis. Here is a throat, okay? So for example, E, U, E, U. This is the front highest place. Front highest place. Your voice is from front highest place. E, U. Please imagine, please be conscious about the place where your voice came from. E, E. For example, O is here. Back, not front, not middle. Back and the middle place. Highest, lowest, middle place. Back, highest, lowest, middle place. O. So when you pronounce the Chinese pronunciation, the shape of your mouth and where does your voice come from? This too is very important. Yeah, okay, if you forget that, please review my previous lesson. There are 10 main characters. We have learned about core 7 characters, okay? So the rest of the 3 is like special guests in your movie, in your drama, right? N, NZ, ER. ER is very simple. R, please curl your tongue. R, that's it. N, NZ, it's very difficult. When you pronounce N, you have to make your tongue go forward and touch the behind upper frontis and bite the tongue a little bit. A, N, N, okay? And Z is please open your throat and your tongue, pull your tongue a little bit and it doesn't touch anywhere in your mouth. And your voice is go back to your throat. Okay? A and Z. E and Z. That's it. Okay? These are the main 10 characters. Core 7, special guests, 3 special guests. Okay? So today we are going to learn about the supportive characters. And in my previous lesson, it's about the 12 times of my class. Yeah. We have learned about the first 4 sounds in the supportive characters. Yeah. Do you remember that? Yeah. When you pronounce these 4, you use the place of your you often use a place. This is your mouth, nose, and lip. Front upper teeth, under teeth, tongue, and throat. And in my previous lesson, we have used here the place, 2 lips, and upper teeth, and under lip. B, P, M, F. This is what we learned in the previous lesson, 12 times of my class. So today, these 4, okay? And today we are going to use this place, the tip of your tongue, here, this place, this area. And today your tongue is go forward and touch the place, touch one place. This place is here. From the roots of your teeth, and you can touch the upper side of your mouth, and then you're going back touch, 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 touch. And do you feel there's some depression area? Touch, 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 touch. Depression area. Touch, touch. There is a very big depression area on your upper side of your mouth. Okay, so today is very important place. Okay, the place between the roots of your upper teeth and the start of the depression here. Please make the tip of your tongue touch here and leave. Okay? Please watch me as an example. There, touch and leave. Touch here and leave. Okay? L. Okay, that's it. Please watch again. Watch me again. L. Touch and leave. Okay? And the point is, when you pronounce T, please breathe out some air from your mouth. You can feel the air. You can feel the air. Breathing out air. That's the point. The others, you don't need to breathe out any air. Yeah. Yeah, no breathe out. But okay, breathe out air. Okay. That's all we are going to learn today. Okay. So this is in the supportive characters, and we are going to see the combination, okay, between this supportive sounds and main sounds. Let's make some Chinese words that have meanings with a combination of them. Okay? The and a. This combination is like this. Da, and we add the 4 sounds. Number 4 sounds. Ma. This is the number 4 sounds. So da, da. Okay, da means big in Chinese. Next, the, e, d. Okay, d, and we add number 4 sound. D. This means small brother. 弟弟，我弟弟 my small brother. L and the combination between a and I, l, I, lie, and when we add number 2 sounds, ma, this is the number 2 sounds. So lie. This means come. 请来我家. Please come to my house. And the last is a little bit complicated. Open your throat. Your voice is going back. Tong. And when we add number 4 sounds, ma is number 4 sounds. Tong. This means painful. have a pain. How tongue? How tongue? And it's very how painful it is. Have a big pain. Tongue. That's it. Okay? So did you understand the image of the Chinese pronunciation? The combination between main characters and the supportive characters. Okay, that's it. And you can make some Chinese words that have meanings. In my channel, I have shared many kinds of stuff, such as Chinese class, Japanese class, because I'm Japanese, and also very basic acting class, or how to learn languages efficiently. Yeah, people of learning languages, people of learning acting, something like that. And with 3 languages that I have mastered: Japanese, Chinese, and English. So if you are very interested in learning languages or learning acting, or the combination between acting and learning languages, and I want to go abroad and challenge for an international actor, okay, please enjoy my channel. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope if you are very interested in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, I will continue to share very beneficial knowledges to you. Okay, see you again. 再见，拜拜。